महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि, महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटिप्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं महागणपतिम्।
Good morning, one and all. As we all know, today is the birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner. He was born in Austria on 14th June 1868, and he is a physician and immunologist, and he is the pioneer of distinguishing the main blood groups during 1900. And also he is one of the Nobel Prize laureate for his work in 1930. So for such a great personality, today we all need to salute and give him thanks for his wonderful work on blood grouping. Also, today across the world, this event on 14th day of June every year is celebrated since from 2005 with the joint initiatives of World Health Organization. This is mainly to express our sincere heartfelt thanks and gratitude for the selfless blood donors and in commemoration of their selfless work for the sake of mankind. This year, that is for 2021, slogan is "Give blood and keep the world beating." Also, this is a good occasion to uphold the self-esteem of blood donors by recognizing, motivating and stimulating them to coming forward for voluntary blood donation. And this type of celebration helps to eliminate myths surrounded with blood donation like ignorance, fear and misconception. So, in general, we all understood that blood is a liquid. It provides cellular needs for our body. In this context, once again, I wanted to say that donating blood is more precious gift than gifting your life to someone in a liquid form. So, my deliberate appeal to upcoming healthy young generation is blood is a liquid life and all of us shall donate blood, and by donating blood to a needy in an emergency situation makes us to feel as a proud savior of a life. Anyway, I am very much thankful for organizing this event by Mrs. Preeti Avasti and all my dear faculty and students. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
A warm greetings to one and all. World Blood Donors Day takes place on 14th June each year. The aim is to raise global awareness of the need for safe blood and blood products for transfusion. The critical contribution by volunteers, unpaid blood donors make national health system stronger. They save millions of lives and improve the health and quality of life in many patients every day. Transfusing or donating blood or its components to the needy person has become very important part of the humanity. So I just want to discuss a few points with you, do's and do nots for the blood donors. So the donors should eat a full meal a couple of hours before donating the blood. Next, drink a lot of water to keep yourself hydrated, and have a good night's sleep before donation. Wear clothing with the loose sleeves so that It allows easy access to the veins, which is important during donation. If you feel weak after blood donation, please lie down yourself till you feel better. And do not avoid drinking drinks with the caffeine for the next 8 to 10 hours, and do not smoke or drink alcohol before or after 24 hours of donation. Do not donate blood if you have an antibiotic course running. Please wait until 10 days till the last antibiotic tablet or injection has been taken. Do not donate blood if you are below 18 years of age. So give blood and save lives. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you one and all.
Hi all. On the occasion of World Blood Donors Day, I would like to make an appeal. Kindly donate blood, stay healthy. A drop of you, an ocean for someone. Please donate blood. Thank you.
You don't have to be a doctor to save lives. Be a donor. Donate blood.
Good morning, one and all. Every few minutes, someone somewhere needs blood. But many do not get safe blood in time. Raise awareness of the urgent need of the availability of the blood wherever and whenever is required. Thank you.
Every blood donor is a lifesaver, so donate blood.
Donation of blood means a few minutes to you, but it's a lifetime for someone else. It makes a difference in their life. So try to donate blood because you never know how helpful it might be to someone.